Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ways to Learn English. I'm Alex.
Hi everyone, I'm Lena and I'm learning English with you.
If you're listening while relaxing, walking, cooking, or taking a break, welcome.
Today's episode is for those moments when English suddenly feels harder.
Yes, those moments when you feel pressure
At work,
in social situations.
or when someone asks you a question unexpectedly.
Today, we're talking about speaking calmly under pressure.
Not speaking perfectly,
Speaking calmly
because calm English sounds confident.
and confident English helps you continue.
Alex, why does English feel harder when we're under pressure?
Because pressure makes your brain rush.
And rushing makes you forget words.
Exactly. Your brain is trying to do too many things at once.
Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation,
And also emotions
like fear,
or embarrassment.
or the feeling that everyone is watching.
Yes. And the interesting thing is, most people aren't judging you.
But pressure makes it feel that way.
Exactly. So today we'll practice calm strategies that work in real situations.
Work situations and social situations.
And we'll keep it simple. Here's the calm formula for speaking under pressure. Slow down your pace. Use a calm starter. Give a simple answer first. Add one detail if you can.
So we don't try to say everything perfectly.
Exactly. We aim for clarity and calm.
What do you mean by calm starters?
Short phrases that give you time. They also signal calm confidence. Examples. Let me think. That's a good question. Give me a second. I'd say, honestly. To be honest.
Those phrases are powerful because they buy time.
Yes. And they sound natural.
Can we practice a few?
Absolutely. Repeat slowly. That's a good question.
That's a good question.
Let me think.
Let me think.
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
Good. Those phrases help your brain breathe.
Sometimes I try to answer with a long sentence.
And that increases pressure. So here's the rule. Simple first. Answer in one short sentence first. Then, if you want, add one detail.
Can we see an example?
Sure. Question. Do you like your job? Simple first answer. Yeah, I do. Then one detail. It's busy, but I like the team.
That feels easy and natural.
Exactly. Let's start with work pressure. A common situation. You're in a meeting. Someone suddenly asks you a question.
And your heart starts beating faster.
Yes. Let's role-play this calmly. Okay, Lena, quick question. What's the status on the project?
Okay,
Pause. Let's use a calm starter. Try again.
that's a good question. Let me think.
Perfect. Now simple first answer.
It's going well.
Great. Add one detail.
We finished the first part, and now we're testing everything.
Excellent. That's clear.
That felt much easier.
Yes. Because you used the formula. Calm starter, simple answer, one detail.
It keeps you from panicking.
Here are some useful meeting phrases that sound calm and professional. Let me check and get back to you. I'm not sure yet, but I'll confirm. As far as I know, from what I've seen, the main point is, we're working on it. We're almost done. We're still reviewing.
I'll get back to you is so useful.
Yes, it's a lifesaver, because you don't need to answer everything immediately.
Sometimes someone asks you something very specific.
Yes, like, can you explain this quickly? That's pressure. But you can stay calm. Let's role play. Lena, can you explain the plan quickly?
Let me think. Okay, the plan is simple.
Nice, calm start.
First, we finish the design, then we build it, then we test it.
Perfect. Short, clear, calm.
And if I need more time, I can say,
Yes. Can I take a minute to organize my thoughts? That's a very calm sentence.
that sounds confident, not weak.
Exactly. Confidence is not speed. Confidence is calm clarity.
Can you give one physical trick? Something simple.
Yes. Speak 10% slower than your nervous speed.
Not super slow.
Just slightly slower. It gives you control. It also makes your English clearer.
And clarity creates confidence.
Exactly. Now let's switch to social pressure. You're at a gathering. You meet someone new.
This can be stressful because you want to make a good impression.
Exactly. But small talk is your friend. We can keep it simple. Hey, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Alex. I'm Lena. Nice to meet you too.
So how do you know the host?
We work together. What about you?
We're neighbors, actually.
Oh, nice. Do you live close?
Yeah, not far. Just a few minutes away.
That's convenient. By the way, how's your week been?
Pretty busy, but good.
I know that feeling. Work has been a lot lately.
Notice what made that easy.
Safe questions.
Yes. And short answers.
And reaction phrases.
Exactly. Here are safe social sentences you can use almost anywhere. It's nice to meet you. How's it going? How's your week been? Do you come here often? This place is nice. It's pretty busy today. I'm just here to relax.
They're simple, but they work.
Yes. Under pressure, simple is best.
Sometimes people speak fast in social situations.
Yes, and you don't want to panic. So here are calm phrases. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that again? Can you say that a little slower? What do you mean? Do you mean your guess?
I didn't catch that. It's polite.
Yes, and it sounds natural. Let's role play. So yeah, we were thinking of heading out later to grab something like, just chill by the water.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Did you say you're going out later?
Oh yeah, sorry. We might go out later and grab food.
Oh, nice. That sounds fun.
That was perfect.
It felt calm.
Yes. Calm phrases prevent panic. Let's pause for a moment. If you're listening right now, think about a situation that makes you nervous in English.
Maybe meetings.
Maybe phone calls.
Maybe talking to strangers.
Now choose one calm starter phrase you can use in that situation.
Like, let me think.
Or, that's a good question.
Or, sorry, I didn't catch that.
Good. One phrase can change everything under pressure.
Phone calls feel like pressure because you can't see reactions.
Yes. Let's do a calm phone call role play. Hello, thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a quick question.
Sure.
What time do you close today?
We close at 6 p.m.
Okay, great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
That's simple, calm, and effective.
And it doesn't need advanced words. What if you feel overwhelmed and you need to exit a conversation politely?
Great question. Here are calm exit phrases. Sorry, I have to go, but it was nice talking. I'm going to grab a drink, but I'll see you later. I should get back to work, but thanks. Let's talk again soon.
It's nice to have an exit plan.
Yes. It reduces anxiety.
You know, lately I've been thinking about something.
Oh? What's on your mind?
Just life plans. Nothing dramatic, but I've been feeling like I might start something new soon.
That sounds exciting.
It is. It's a good kind of change.
We'll talk about it when you're ready.
Yeah. For now, I'm just getting used to the idea.
That's very normal. So far today we practiced calm starters, simple first answers, work meeting phrases, social small talk under pressure, asking someone to repeat, phone call structure, polite exits.
And the big idea is calm, clear, simple.
Yes. And next we'll go deeper into two things,
How to answer personal questions without stress.
and how to handle awkward silence naturally.
Because that silence can feel like pressure too.
Let's talk about personal questions. Because sometimes someone asks you something and you feel pressure to answer perfectly.
Yes, and you also feel pressure because you don't want to be rude.
Exactly. So we need calm strategies. Here's the key idea. You can answer politely without giving a long answer.
Short answers are okay.
Yes. Under pressure, short answers are often best. Here's a pattern that sounds natural and calm. Short answer plus soft phrase. Examples. Yeah, kind of. A little bit, not really. I'm not sure yet. It depends.
Those phrases make your answer feel less intense.
Exactly. And they give you time. Let's practice. Question. Do you like it here?
Yeah, I do. It's pretty nice.
Great. Calm and simple. Question. Are you busy these days?
A little bit. Yeah, work has been a lot.
Perfect. Question. Are you going to stay long?
I'm not sure yet. It depends.
Excellent.
What if someone asks something too personal?
Good question. You can answer politely without sharing details. Here are safe phrases. Oh, it's a long story. It's kind of complicated. I'd rather not get into it. Maybe I'll tell you another time. Honestly, I'm still figuring it out.
Those are polite.
Yes. And the tone is calm. You're not rejecting the person, you're protecting your comfort. Let's role-play a situation. You're talking to someone at a gathering. Ask a personal question. We'll keep it calm. So, are you planning to stay in this city long-term?
I'm not sure yet. It depends.
Oh, got it. Are you enjoying it so far?
Yeah, I am. It's been nice. I'm still getting used to everything.
That makes sense. Moving can be a big change.
Yeah, exactly.
That was perfect.
Because I didn't need a long explanation.
Exactly. And you used two very natural phrases. It depends. I'm still getting used to everything.
Now, let's talk about awkward silence.
Yes. Silence can feel like pressure because you think, I have to say something now.
And then you panic.
Exactly. So here's the truth. Silence is normal. Even native speakers pause.
But how do we make it feel less awkward?
We use a bridge phrase. Bridge phrases are short sentences that restart the flow. Examples. So anyway. By the way. Oh, I just thought of something. That reminds me. Speaking of that.
Those phrases gently move the conversation forward.
Yes. And the best part is, they don't need perfect grammar. Let's do a work situation. You're in a meeting. Someone stops talking. Silence. You can use a bridge phrase. Okay, so that's where we are right now.
So, just to make sure I understand, are we meeting again tomorrow?
Yes, good question. Tomorrow at 10.
Got it. Thanks.
That was great.
Because I didn't say something random.
Exactly. You used the silence to ask a useful question. Now a social situation. You're talking to someone new. You've already asked a question. Then silence. So yeah, I've been pretty busy lately.
Oh, that reminds me. Have you seen any good movies recently?
Actually, yes, I watched one last weekend, and
That works because it's a safe topic change.
exactly. Movies, food, weekend plans, hobbies, safe topics.
Sometimes pressure happens when people ask quick questions like, "What do you do?" or "Where are you from?"
Yes, these questions can feel intense, but you can prepare simple answers. This reduces anxiety a lot. Here are calm answers you can use. Question: what do you do? Answer options.
And if you don't want to share details,
You can keep it general. I work in an office. I do a bit of everything. I'm between jobs right now. I'm focusing on school. Let's do one more work pressure role play. Your manager asks you unexpectedly, "What's the plan for next week?" This can feel stressful, but we'll use the calm formula. Hey Lena, quick question. What's the plan for next week?
that's a good question. Let me think. The plan is to finish the testing and share the results.
Nice.
And if we have time, we'll start the next part.
Good. Perfect. Clear and calm. Notice something important. You didn't try to be perfect. You stayed calm.
And that made the English come out naturally. Sometimes the calmest thing is honesty.
Yes. Here's a powerful sentence for pressure situations. I'm still thinking about it. Or, I'm not fully sure yet. Or, let me check and I'll confirm.
Those sentences feel professional and calm.
Exactly. They prevent panic. Now let's create a simple practice plan for this week.
Something small?
Yes, 3 minutes a day. Day 1, practice calm starters out loud. Day 2, practice simple first answers. Day 3, practice asking someone to repeat. Day 4, practice bridge phrases. Day 5, practice one work role play and one social role play.
Even if you practice alone, it still helps.
Yes, because your brain learns the pattern.
Today's episode makes me feel calmer
Good.
because now pressure feels more manageable.
Yes, pressure doesn't disappear, but you can prepare for it.
And preparation brings calm.
Exactly. And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us.
Try one calm starter this week. Just one.
And speak a little slower than your nervous speed.
And if you're enjoying the podcast, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode, and feel free to listen to our earlier episodes too.